As Henderson, Kentucky's only not-for-profit senior living facility, Red Bank's senior community offers quality nursing services and housing for seniors. We love working with patients and their families to create the best treatment plan possible in a warm, secure atmosphere that brings the heart close to home. Whether you need one of our skilled nursing centers or independent living apartments, our range of services are sure to fit all of your needs. Our services include 24-hour licensed nursing care and assessment, therapy services, therapeutic diets, dementia care, social services, and more. Enhancing the quality of life is what we do best at Red Banks. That's why our versatile team of caregivers include a registered nurse, nurse practitioner, dietitian, chaplain, social worker, dietary manager, and activities director. Our highly professional and trained staff is ready to assist you and is dedicated to ensuring your loved one's health, well-being, and comfort. We seek to be an outreach for the community with a commitment to quality care services and housing for seniors. To learn more about what Red Banks can do for you and your family, visit redbanks.org or call 270-826-6436.